Hi there, this is Chelsea from Enterprise. Welcome to today's episode on adding custom fields with Enterprise. In this session, we will learn and cover how to add custom fields on your documents. So let's get you started. Now let's take a look at how easy you can add a custom field on your documents on Enterprise. Let's go into Settings, under Custom Field tab. So a custom field enables you to add additional information into any of the document created on Enterprise to capture more details and data which is specific to your business. This is only at header level for all documents. Now let's select the transaction document type that we would like to add more custom fields to. I'm coming down to Sales, Custom Fields. What I want to do is click on Add Custom Field. So in this section, you want to add a field to your sales document. The Display on Forms box is ticked to ensure that the field will be displayed on that document for you. So you can simply untick this when you need to hide a field in the future. Now enter the name for your field. So I would like to add a project stage to my sales document. For data type, you can select either free text, which is to enter any text in the box, integer, to enter whole number, number, any number including decimals, date, a date selection will be appearing on your field, and also link a table within SAP B1 with a list of values for user to choose from. Once you're happy with the selection, remember to click on Save. Once I'm finalized with my custom field, I can now go back into the Sales module. Under any sales document, I will now be able to see the project stage which I've created earlier on under the custom field. For further help, check out our Help Center at help.enterprise.com or use our support chat to talk to a representative, and where you will also get links to Help Center. Thank you for watching.